Hey lovelies, it's Cindy from MyStyleSpot.net, and I'm here to share some awesome tips today for eyebrows. Eyebrows can be so tricky. Trust me, I know. In my teens, I overplucked, and it's been an issue ever since. They've never quite grown back the same. I didn't really know how to shape them at that time or anything, but since then, luckily some of it's grown back and I've been able to get it shaped, and I'm here to share some awesome tips for you on how to get the perfect brows. Just don't overpluck. This video is sponsored by AmElegant, so I'm excited to share that with you. We'll be talking about that in a little bit later. So let's get to the tips for the perfect eyebrows. Number one, do it after a warm shower while your hair is soft, and it's going to be a little easier to shape and pluck if you need to. So be sure to do that. And then number two, you're going to use a brush to determine where your eyebrow starts and ends. So you can use a makeup brush or a pen or pencil, whatever you got. I just got a pen here. So you can put it like right here up the side of the nose, and that's going to be where your eyebrow needs to start. So you're going to get a parallel right there. So you can mark it if you need to. You can do that on both sides. That's where it will start. Where it will end, you're going to angle the pencil or pen out like this past your eye. So you get the eye here. This is where your eyebrow should end. So you're going to mark right there on both sides. And so mark there. And then to get the arch, you're gonna go parallel from the outside of the iris, and that's where you're gonna want your arch to be. So that would be the highest point right there for me, and right there. As you can see, I've already done. So if you don't have that, be sure to mark it, and now you've got some points where you can go to get your eyebrows shaped perfectly. So I'm gonna use my AmElegant Eyebrow Trimmer, and this is gonna help me remove excess hair out of the line. So you can go above and beyond where it's not in your eyebrow. You can see those loose hairs. I get a bunch underneath right here. So you'll want to get rid of those. So we'll go ahead and do that. So for step number 4, you're going to comb your eyebrows up like so. And then any hair that's coming above, you're going to either trim with scissors or get rid of if you need to, if they need to be removed with the trimmer. So you want to be sure and do that on both sides. That's going to make sure you don't have any unruly hairs that stick out and get all crazy. Number 5, you're going to remove hair from above and below if you haven't already done so. You're going to use your eyebrow trimmer, and you're going to get any hairs outside of the line. So when you have the dot marked for the beginning, the top of your eyebrow, and then on the ending point, anything that's above, like outside of these areas, or above or below, you're gonna wanna get with your trimmer. So then you should, when you're done, have that perfectly nice shaped eyebrow. So my tip, go slowly. Make sure your eyebrows are then symmetrical. The last step, you're gonna comb brows to set into place, like I said, and use eyebrow powder or pencil to fill it in and get those perfect shaped brows. Talk more about my awesome AmElegant Eyebrow Trimmer. As you can see here, you have the trimmer. It also comes off, and you can replace it with the face and body trimmer that it comes with as well. It's just easy to get on and off. And it also has this handy LED light that's gonna help shine some light so you can see what you're doing as well. So super handy. AmElegant was established in 2014 by a small family in Queens. They wanted to provide high quality cosmetic products at affordable prices to make sure consumers get the most value out of them. They were been tested, there's been deep studies done on them and experiments to make sure that these products are up to par and they're gonna get you your best trim or facial hair removal, whatever you're looking to do. Their mission is to offer the best experience possible. We have several hair removal products, including this handy face and body trimmer as well as eyebrow trimmer. They also have nose trimmers, another facial trimmer, eyebrow trimmers, and 4-in-1 trimmers as well. So you can find any kind of trimming experience you need done, you're gonna be able to get it with AmElegant. It's painless and safe hair removal, and it removes hair gently without pulling, so that's really nice. I love that it's portable and convenient. You can take it with you. It's also waterproof, so if you wanted to use it in the shower, I guess you could. It's up to you. And it comes with a nice little pouch that you can carry in for on the go. You can put that in your purse or for storage as well. So super handy. So I found using the eyebrow trimmer that for best results to go in circles and use it slowly, move gently, go in a circular motion against the direction of hair growth, and then avoid too much pressure. It's on peach fuzz or fine hair on the face or body. You can use it daily. I found my hair growth, I only need to use it about once a week. They can be used for both men or women. You can find all of the AmElegant facial nose trimmers, eyebrow trimmers, 4-in-1 trimmer on Amazon. Check out the links below to learn more and purchase AmElegant trimmer today. So here I have my AmElegant face and body trimmer, and you can use the eyebrow trimmer as well, which I'm going to show you here. So here's the cute little case it comes in, and here's the eyebrow trimmer, which I will be using. And then here is the body and face trimmer, which you can also use to trim anything off your body or face that you'd like to get rid of. So here I'm going to adjust the eyebrow trimmer, and here you have an LED light to help give you an extra visual on what you're doing. And then to do this, I'm just going to go over the hair. So I have a lot that come underneath that I want to get. And I found that working in circles works better too for removing all the hair. So this AmElegant face and body eyebrow trimmer is safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It has anti-allergic blades, so you can trust that it's going to be good to your skin. I love the modern and convenient design of it. It feels good in the hands. It's easy to use. It's also rechargeable, so you don't have to have it plugged in while you're using it. It's got a built-in USB. It's waterproof and durable as well. I love that it's like compact and I can carry it in my purse, and it comes with a cute little carrying case to do that as well. And you can find the AmElegant face and body eyebrow trimmer on Amazon. So super easy to purchase. It also leaves no redness, stubble, nicks, and it doesn't pull hair either. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Comment below if you're having any trouble with the eyebrow shaping. I'd love to help you. Or if you have any great tips to share with the audience as well, that'd be awesome. Be sure to subscribe for free weekly awesome content. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. I would greatly appreciate it. Again, if you want to buy your AmElegant trimmer, eyebrow trimmer, or face and body trimmer, check out the link below and shop them today on Amazon. Thanks for watching, you guys.